Hello dear students, today we are going to study about the movements of the earth. So there are basically two movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. The rotation causes day and night and revolution causes change in seasons. So let us understand the first movement of earth, that is rotation. The movement of earth on its axis is called rotation. For example, this is earth and there is a line going through the earth from north pole to south pole. This is an imaginary line which is known as axis. When earth rotates or spins on this axis from west to east, it is called rotation. And earth takes 24 hours earth take 24 hours to complete one rotation, and it causes day and night cycle. You will be able to understand it by this animation. Kindly watch it. So as you can see that earth is moving from west direction to east, and there is a needle like structure going through earth, and this needle like structure is basically showing the axis. But if you will see the satellite images of earth, you will not find any kind of line going through earth like this. It is an imaginary line on which earth rotates, or you can say spins. Now we'll try to understand what is day and night cycle. So as you can see in this image, some of the region of earth is getting sunlight and some of the area of the earth is not getting sunlight. So the area of earth which receives the sunlight has day, and the area of the earth which does not receive sunlight has night. But earth is not stopping at any moment. It is continuously moving, it is continuously rotating, as you can see once again. So earth is not stopping it at will not stop at any movement. Rotation will keep on going on. So one rotation of earth takes 24 hours, then another 24 hours, like this. I hope you understood what is rotation. Now let us try to understand revolution. What is revolution? While rotating on its axis, the earth moves around the sun in a fixed path. अर्थ रोटेट भी करती है और साथ के साथ मूव भी करती है एक फिक्स्ड पाथ पर सन के अराउंड, और इसी फिक्स्ड पाथ को हम ऑर्बिट बोलते हैं. दिस फिक्स्ड पाथ इज कॉल्ड ऑर्बिट. लेट अस सी वन मोर एनिमेशन. So as you can see that earth was spinning as well as it was moving on this orbit, this ring. This is known as orbit. It is oval in shape. Let us see it once again. So what is happening actually? Earth is continuously moving. It is at the same time it is revoluting also, and at the same time it is rotating as well. The movement in which earth spin on its axis is called rotation, and the movement in which earth is rotating on this orbit is known as revolution. How much time is taken by the earth to complete one revolution? 365 days and 6 hours. But what the geographer did, that they considered a year of only 365 days, because we cannot have a day with 6 hours. How can we have a day with only 6 hours? Can you imagine how we'll be able to complete our daily course, daily life task? If there was a day with 6 hours, it would become very troublesome. So what the geographers did, they added these 6 hours continuously for 4 years. So every fourth year is a leap year, and leap year is divisible by 4. And this one extra day which we get after the addition of 6 hours continuously for 4 years, we get a leap year. In this leap year, there is one extra day which is added in the month of February. That's all for today.